In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VPN extensions to Chrome. If you want a simple way to browse with a VPN directly from your browser, adding a Chrome extension is one of the quickest options. The process is straightforward, and once it's installed, you can usually turn it on and off in just a click or two. To get started, open Chrome and go directly to the Chrome Web Store extensions page. If you don't already have it open, you can also type Chrome Web Store into your browser and open it from the search results. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, so it's the safest and easiest way to find browser add-ons. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, move to the search bar in the top left corner and type VPN. After that, press enter and browse through the results. You'll typically see several popular and highly rated options, including well-known VPN extensions for Chrome. Take a moment to look through the choices so you can pick the one that best fits what you need. When you've found the VPN extension you want, click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of the extension, along with ratings and other helpful information. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button to begin the installation. After you do that, Chrome will show a confirmation prompt near the top of the screen. This prompt lets you review what the extension is asking permission to access. If everything looks good, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will then install the VPN extension automatically, and this usually only takes a few seconds. Once the extension is installed, it's a good idea to make it easier to access. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find your new VPN in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning it places the VPN directly in your toolbar so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. Now click the newly pinned VPN icon in your toolbar. Depending on the extension you chose, you may be asked to create an account before using it. After that, select your preferred country server from the available options, then switch the VPN on using the extensions toggle. And that's it. Your VPN extension is now added to Chrome and ready to use whenever you need it.